Here is another exploration of craft shaders in my quixotic quest to see if I can get them to do cool things that you can also do with mesh. So this is a mesh plane that utilizes a shader to make this cool motion thingy. And now here's the craft version. And this is also done using a shader. And you may be like, big deal, but it is a big deal. I'm telling you it is. Because the deal is that mesh shaders can have buffered variables so that it's easy for every individual point in the mesh to customize its behavior based on where it is in that, in the buffer. You just can't do that with craft. So here's what I did. Here's how I got around it. I am making an image. I'm cheating. I'm using the UV channel to encode basically the numbers 1 through whatever. The UV channel becomes an index channel because those are sequentially fed to the vertexes. So I'm using the UV channel to generate indexes, and with those indexes, I'm accessing an array that simulates the buffer. So basically, over in Mesh, each one of these points is being fed individual data about where it is, and then over in Craft, each one of these points is being fed an individual index with which it accesses an array that gives it custom information based on its position. The information is also encoded in an image, and that's how it passed to the, because there's a limit of the number of, the size of the arrays, basically. And, to do something really complex, well, I had to encode it in an image. So all these heights, the code basically generates an image that will encode all these heights sequentially. And then in order to make this animation, Craft is using the UV indexes to read those position numbers out of the image. Whew. It's, it's cheating, but it works. It works.